Welcome to Zero Plus channel. We want to create animal icon in Adobe Illustrator. In this part, we want to create deer. Okay, first step is create new document. From File menu, New Document, Art and Illustration, and select size 800 in 600. Unit set to pixels, artboard 1, and color mode RGB color. Now create. Okay, we want to create the face from rectangle with no fill color, just stroke, and stroke set to 2. Okay, set size to 60, 70, and line artboard vertical and horizontal. Okay, we need to round the bottom of face. Okay, so select direct selection tool. Select 2 circles in bottom. First, hold shift and second. Move to up. Now is okay. And select entry point left. Move to right. Okay. Entry point right. Move to left. Okay. Now we want to create eyes. Select ellipse tool. Set size to 6 pixel. Okay. Zoom in. Direct selection. Select bottom entry point and remove by delete key in keyboard. We zoom in and we want to change stroke panel cap to round cap. Okay, zoom out, move eye to right position, back to home. Control C, Control F, move to right. Okay, now select 2 items, Control G to group, select second item, and from line panel, line to key object, select body as a key object, and now horizontal line center. Okay, select eye and ungroup. Okay, now we need to create a mouth smile. Control C, Control F, move, Control C, Control F, move, shift and rotate. Okay, that's right. And now we want to create nose. Select polygon to 7 pixel and 3. Okay. Hold shift, rotate. Control. Okay. Select direct selection, bottom and corner 2 and bottom. Maybe 4. Okay. Select. Now zoom out. Okay. Move. Right position. Sync is okay. Now we want to making deer by detail, create some elements around his nose. For that, select the polygon tool and set up a radius of 12 pixel and number of sides 6. Okay, 12 pixel and 6. Okay, now make the following adjustment from transform panel. Okay, change the corner type to 7 pixel and rotate to 90 degree. Okay, now move to right position like this. Select for share, and that's this element in center of the face. Select 2 items and from align panel, align to key object, select body as a key object and this. Okay, that's right. Now is okay. Okay, now we want to create ear. Ear will be created from a rectangle shape. Okay, select rectangle and set size to 20 pixel. Okay, now select this and this from transform to set to 20 and this to 20. Okay, we select top right corner and left bottom corner and set corner type to 20 pixel from transform panel. Now move ear to right position. I think is okay. Control C, Control F. Right click, transform, reflect, preview and vertical. Okay, move to right position. That's right. Now we need to modify the shape of ear and cut out the parts that we don't need. Let's do this in 2 steps. Okay, select the head or face and select add answer point tool from pen and add 2 point here and here. Select by direct selection this point and remove by delete keyboard. Okay, and repeat this for right ear. Select, add this, direct selection this, and delete by keyboard. And select answer. Select select head, stroke panel, cap to round type. Okay, now we want to remove this part of ear. Like previous action, select ear, okay, and pen tool, add 2 point here and here. Now direct selection, select bottom, delete. Do that for right ear, select 2 points, first, second. Select, delete, and delete. Okay. In this step, we want to smooth top of head. So select this part and add 1 point. Okay. Now move this point. Excuse me. Select Enter Point tool. Deselect. Select. Select direct selections. This point. Change the point. Okay, we want to create center and create add answer point. Okay, create select point, change to smooth point, move to top and smooth by, excuse me, Control Z. Okay, the site. Okay, now we want to create the horns with the pen tool. Okay, zoom in. That's right. Okay, select pen tool. To draw a straight line, hold Shift. Start from here. Click, hold Shift, and click. Okay, Shift and this. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 point. Now continue by select pen tool from here. Shift to, excuse me, Control Z. Shift to okay, and Shift V, and now select from here or here this Shift and oh, excuse me, Shift. Okay, we want to select this and okay, I think it's good. Okay, in this step we need to smooth some point. For example, this point, check, and around this point. Okay. That's right. Direct selection tool. Okay, very good. And this point, smooth. Okay, very good. Now select stroke, this and this, and stroke to round cap. Whoa. Okay, now copy, select, Control G, Control C, Control F, and transform, reflect. Okay, move to right position. Okay, in the last step, we want to color or dip. Select item. First, this stroke change to cap. Select. Change color to maybe this color. Okay, and a stroke change to this. Okay, select, arrange center to back. Okay, very good. Select, stroke, and change color to Control. That's right. Select news and change color to this. Select this shape and okay. Send to backward. Again, arrange send to backward. Arrange send to backward. And now our deer is ready to hunting. Okay. Good luck.